An ESD file is an electronic software delivery archive, a highly compressed version of a Windows installer you'll often encounter when building bootable USB drives. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through converting it to a usable ISO. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like ESD. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. Users encounter ESD files during Windows upgrades or when creating installation media. These highly compressed files contain the operating system's core components. People search for them to manually create bootable USB drives, extract specific system files, or troubleshoot failed Windows updates. The ESD format is a specialized, encrypted, and highly compressed version of the Windows imaging format, WIM. Microsoft designed it to reduce the download size for OS distribution over the internet. Its binary structure is optimized for sequential reading during the installation process. The initial software setup links the ESD file directly to Windows Operating System by Microsoft Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows lacks complete archive parsing, so specialized programs must handle extraction. This is the first step toward access. Right-click your ESD file, then select Open With. Try Windows Operating System if you have it. If not, select any program from the list. The goal is to find one that reads the format. This ESD file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, converting ESD to WIM. Use the DISM command line tool included in Windows to convert ESD to WIM format. Open an elevated command prompt and run DISM, export image with the source ESD path target, WIM path, and compress maximum flag. This decrypts and repackages the image for standard deployment use. Next, creating Bootable ISO. Use third-party tools such as NTLite or the ESD decryptor script to convert ESD files into bootable Windows ISO images. These tools extract the installation image from the ESD file and rebuild a complete Windows installation. ISO that can be written to USB media using Rufus. Finally, understanding ESD limitations. Not all ESD files can be converted, as some remain encrypted by Microsoft and are only usable by Windows Update components. If DISM reports an encryption error, the file is a protected distribution image. In that case, use the official Windows Media Creation tool to obtain an installable ISO directly from Microsoft. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.